So next topic, the the difference for the mainly for the summer and the winters. So next, the factors affecting the climate. What are the factors affecting the climate? One is the first one is latitude. Second one is altitude. Third one is distance from the sea. Third one is distance from sea. Fourth one is monsoon wind. Fifth one is relief features. Sixth one is jet streams. So these six types of the these six types is affected the climate, affected by the climate. One is the latitude, that is here height. Altitudes the same words, the height. Distance from the near the distance, the temperatures is a moderate. The long distance, the temperatures is a high. And the monsoon wind near the coastal areas and mountains areas is a very coolest. The relief features for the mountains areas very good. And the jet streams, that is every 10 and 15 years. So the formed jet streams. First one is the latitude. The latitudes mainly for this is here equatorial areas. This is here equatorial areas, and this edge near the Kanyakumari. The Kanyakumari 8.4 degree in the north, and here's the top edge 37.6 in the north. The latitudes. So first one is 8 degree 4 minutes in the north to 37 degrees 60 minutes in the north. The longitudinals, mainly for the latitudinally, the India lies between the 8 degree 4 to 37.6 latitude. The India was divided into two equal parts. India was divided into equal parts. That is a Tropic of Cancer. So 23 and up. So the Tropic of Cancer, India was divided into two equal parts. But the south side is a high temperature, and the same time is the severe cold seasons in North India areas. So mainly for the Tropic of Cancer divided to the country into two equal levels. It's like a northern Tropic of Cancer. Northern Tropic of Cancer, the experience of the high temperatures and the severe cold in the northern areas. Another one is the areas to the north to this parallel to enjoy the tropical climate, and the areas to the north parallel to enjoy the tropical climate. So in this topic mainly for the India 8 degree 4 minutes, and then in the 37.6 in the north latitudes. Next topic, the altitude. The altitude, that means the altitudes mainly for when the altitudes the increases. When the altitude that means the increases of the mountains area. For example, is the mountains areas. For mountain areas, so height is the sea levels. The height is, for example, 8,848 meters for Everest. 848 meters the height. But this in the males, the altitude increases, temperatures are decreases. The height increases, but the temperatures decreases. For examples, the Nilgiri mountains, the height increases, but compared to the Coimbatore regions, against the 1000 meter going to reach the 6.5 degrees Celsius temperatures reduce. Here, for the mainly for temperatures decreases in the rate of 6.5 degree Celsius for every 1000 meters. For examples, here is here thousands, 2000s, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000 like that. So here is here 6.5 degrees Celsius. For example, here is 40 degrees Celsius. The land area, the 40 degrees Celsius is the land surface. 40 degrees Celsius. After that is reaching in thousands meters. The height is the 6.5 degrees Celsius temperatures decreases. That means the 40, for example, approximately the 33.5 degrees Celsius. And this is a 40 degree. Another going to reach the 2000 meters is a 6.5 degree decreases. For example, 27 something like that. Another one is against the 3000 meters 6.5 degrees Celsius decreases. So is mainly for every thousands meters of the ascent, this is called a normal lapse rate. What is meant by the normal lapse rate? So when the altitude increases, the temperature decreases. Temperatures decreases at the rate of 6.5 degrees Celsius for every 1000 meters of the ascent. It is called a normal lapse. Another one is, for some examples for the mountains are cooler than the place of the plains. So here is the plains, mountains areas, Nilgiris, Kollimalais, Serurain Hills, Pachamalais. So these are the mountains areas, Mount Everest, Kailas ranges. So mainly for the mountains ranges, mountains are cooler than the plain areas. For examples, the Ooty and several other hill stations of the South India. And of the Himalayas ranges like here, Missouri, Simla are much cooler than the places located on the Greater Plains. So Greater Plains come much cooler than these, the Simla and Missouri is like that. Next, for examples, do you know the equable climate is called the British climate. British climate, which they neither do hot nor in the cold. Hot and cold climate. That is a British climate. Next topic, in the distance from the sea.